Okay, so we have here f of x is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 2, and g of x is equal to x plus 1 over x minus 1. So this time we will have to find, for letter A, we are going to find the addition, or the f plus g of x. Of course, in order for you to solve the f plus g of x, you are going to start with what is the definition of f plus g of x. So we have, it is equal to f of x plus g of x. All right. So next we have here, substitute what is the f of x. So we have here, you have to use the parentheses. So x squared minus 3x plus 2. And copy the odd. Parentheses again. What is the g of x? So we have here the x plus 1 over x minus 1. So x plus 1 over x minus 1. Alright. So you're done substituting your functions. Therefore, you have to recall that in addition, you have to find LCD first if there is a fraction. So first, remove muna natin yung mga parentheses. So we have here x squared minus 3x plus 2 plus, we have here x plus 1 over x minus 1. Okay. Now, yeah, it should be removed already. Okay, as is. Remember that in order for you to solve or to combine all of this, we need to find first the LCD. Okay, so you need to find first the LCD since we have a term here that has a denominator. Okay, so what will happen among here, the 4 terms, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 terms, siya lang yung may LCD. Therefore, we assume that all of this has a denominator of 1. Whole number, remember that a whole number has a denominator of 1. Okay? So the LCD will automatically be x minus 1, since if we're going to multiply 1 times 1 is 1 times 1, that is still 1, times x minus 1, that would become x minus 1. Therefore, we will use the least common denominator as x minus 1. So the LCD will become x minus 1. So write your LCD here, x minus 1. Okay, I hope you can still follow. Then, remember that in order for us to solve this one, we need to follow like this. X minus 1 divide 1, that is x minus 1. Multiply with the numerator x squared. So, we have to write x minus 1 times x squared. Again, x minus 1, divide natin dito kay 1, still x minus 1. Pero diba, after we divide, we multiply it with the numerator. So, para mas hindi kayo malito, isulat nyo to, then multiply it with the numerator. Next, we have here, copy the minus. X minus 1, divide 1, still x minus 1 times 3x. So, x minus 1 times 3x. x. Okay, I hope you can still follow. Bring down plus, then x minus 1, divide 1, still x minus 1, then multiply with the numerator. So, x minus 1 times 2. Okay, next. Haba, diba? X minus 1 divided by x minus 1, the answer is 1. Again, x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is 1. Therefore, 1 times x plus 1, that is equal to x plus 1. Okay? So, na-construct na natin. Ito yung dito na part. Next. Remember, para hindi makalimutan yung denominator na x minus 1, always isulat ng maunang isulat ito. Okay? So, balikan muna natin dito since we still have parentheses here above. That means we need to multiply that or those. Okay? So, let's start with here and here. So, that means this one like that. X times x squared, that would give us x cubed. Then negative 1 times x squared, that would give us negative x squared. Copy, minus. We have here, you have to use bracket kapag minus pa ang before. Kasi that would change all the signs inside. Okay, so x times 3x, that would give us 3x squared. Then, negative 1 times 3x, that would give you negative 3x. Parentheses. Bring down plus. Then here, x times 2, that would give you 2x. Pwede na walang bracket. Then, negative 1 times 2, that would give you negative 2. Plus, bring down lang natin, remove bracket, yung x plus 1. So, we have here x plus 1. Okay. Ito ito yung LCD kanina. Para hindi kayo malito. Okay, so you have here x squared minus x cubed minus x squared minus open parenthesis 3x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 2 plus x plus 1. So, hindi pa tayo pwedeng mag-combine kasi meron pang nasa inside the parentheses. So, what will happen? Copy the denominator x minus 1. Okay, bring down x cubed minus x squared. Then, change all the sign here. So, yung 3x squared magiging 3x squared. Bakit mag-change, ma'am? Kasi negative times 3x squared, that would give us negative 3x squared. Then, negative times negative 3x, that would give you positive 3x. Then, remove the parentheses. Bring down x plus 1. Okay? Now, as you can see here, wala na tayong parentheses na nakita. Therefore, we have to combine all the like terms or combining like terms. So, bring down the denominator x minus 1. Since walang ibang may cube, bring down x cube. Okay? Dalawa lang din ang may square. Therefore, negative x squared minus 3x squared, that would give you 4x squared. Then, check natin kung ilan yung may x. So, x, x, x. So 1, 2, 3. So he can add 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1. Here we have plus 6x. And the constants, we have negative 2 plus 1. So we can have negative 1. Okay? So your final answer for f plus g of x is equal to x cubed minus 4x squared plus 6x minus 1 over x minus 1. Okay? So, this is your answer right now. Okay?